In this video, I am going to show you how to access the YouTube TV free trial to watch the NBA Finals. YouTube TV offers a free trial that includes access to popular sports channels like ESPN and ABC, which broadcast the NBA Finals. To get started, visit the YouTube TV website or app and sign up for the free trial, typically 7 to 14 days, depending on the current promotion. During the sign-up process, ensure your plan includes ESPN and ABC, as these are part of the standard channel lineup. Once your account is set up, open the YouTube TV app or website and navigate to the Live section to find the NBA Finals schedule. You can also use the search bar to locate specific games or related content. If you want to record the games, take advantage of YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature, which is available even during the free trial. Just remember to cancel your subscription before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this video helped you access the NBA Finals on YouTube TV's free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.